Hello students. Today's learning topic is chapter number 7, weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. Okay. Next point is climate and adaptation. First, climate. Climate has profound effect on all living organisms. The average weather taken over long time is called a climate. Okay. Next, adaptation. The process which enables organisms to adjust their environment in order to ensure survival is called adaptations. Animals are adapted to survive in the condition in which they live, and animals living in very cold and hot climate must possess special feature to protect themselves against the extreme cold or heat. Okay. And as examples of adaptations of animals to climatic conditions, we discuss only animals living in polar regions and tropical rainforest. Now, first, adaptations of polar regions. Okay. And the polar regions are situated near the poles, north and south pole. Polar regions present an extreme climate. Some well-known countries that belong to polar regions are Canada, Greenland, Alaska in USA, Finland, Sweden, Norway, Iceland. Okay. And polar regions are covered with snow and it is very cold for most of the years. For the 6 months, the sun does not set the poles, while for the other 6 months, the sun does not rise. In winter, the temperature can be low as minus 37 degree Celsius. Okay. And animals living there have adapted to these survival conditions. Let us see how they are adapted by conditions. Considering the examples of polar bear and penguin. Now first, polar bear. Polar bear have white fur so that the white fur not easily visible in the snowy white background. Okay. And it protects them from their predators, and it and its predators and prey are unable to see it. Okay. And it has two thick layer of furs. This keep it warm in cold weather. It has layer of fat under its skin. The fat insulates its body from cold and keeps it warm. Okay, and it also long curved and swept clones. It's help to walk on the ice. Okay. Polar bear has a very strong sense of smell. It helps the bears to locate it and catch its prey. Okay. And polar bear are physical activities on warm days. It is necessary cooling. So polar bear goes for swimming. It is a good swimmer and its pro and white large which help it is not to swim well but also walk it easy in the snow. Yes, and while swimming underwater, it can close its nostrils and can remain underwater for long duration. Okay, and it has strong sense of smell, so it catch its prey for food. Okay. Another well-known animal living in the polar regions is the penguin. Penguin. It is also white and merges well with the white background. It also a thick skin and lots of fat to protect it from cold. And you may see pictures of penguin huddled together. Yes, this they do not keep warm. Okay. And other animals living in the polar regions are many types of fishes, musk oceans, reindeers, foxes, seals, whales, and birds. And birds migrate to warmer regions on onset of winter. And fish can remain under cold water for long time. Yes, and you know probably that India is one of the destinations of many of these birds. You must have seen or heard about the Siberian cranes that comes from Siberia to places like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana. Yes, and some of wetlands of northeast and some other parts of India. Okay. Next point is tropical rainforest. Tropical regions has generally hot climate because of its location around the equators. Yes, the examples of some countries where the tropical rainforests are found are India, Indonesia, Kenya, Malaysia, Republic of Congo, Brazil, Nigeria, Uganda. Okay. And these regions, tall and dense jungles, and receives heavy rainfall every year. This is the important features of these regions is the tropical rain forest. Okay. And climate of tropical rain forest. Even in the coldest month, the temperature is generally higher than about 15 degree Celsius, and during hot summer the temperature may cross 40 degree Celsius, and days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the years. Okay. Tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghat and Assam in India, Southeast Asia, Central America, and Central Africa. Okay. And life in tropical rainforest. Because of continuous warmth and rain, this region supports wide variety of plants and animals. The major types of animals living in the rainforest are ape, elephant, tiger, snakes, insect, and birds. And the climatic conditions in rainforest are highly suitable for supporting and variety of animals. Since the numbers of large populations of animals, there is intense competitions of food and shelters. Many animals are adapt to living on the trees. Okay. And red-eyed frog has developed sticky pads on its feet to help it climb tree on which it lives and to help them live on the trees. Monkey have long tail for grasping branches, and their hands and feet are such that they can easily hold on to the branches. as there is competitions for food. Some animals are adapted to get food not easily reachable. A sticking example is that of the birds is toucan, which which possesses a large and long beak. This helps toucan to reach the fruits on the branches, which are otherwise too weak to support its weight. Okay. And many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, and skin colors, and sharp claws, which help to them camouflage by blending with the surroundings. This is protect them from predators. For example, lion, tigers, etc. Okay. And beard ape live in rainforest of Western Ghats. Its most outstanding features is the silver white man, which surrounds the head from the cheeks down to its chins. It is good climbers and spend a major part of its life on the trees. It feeds mainly on foods. It is also eats seeds, young leaves, trims, flowers, and birds. These animals also searches for insects under the bark of the trees, and since it is able to get sufficient food on the trees, it rarely comes down on the ground. Okay. Another well-known animal of Indian tropical rainforest is elephant. And it has adapted to the conditions of rainforest is in many remarkable ways. Look at its trunk. It it uses it has nose because which it has strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used by it for picking up food. Moreover, its tusks are modified teeth. This can tear the bark of trees that elephant loves to eat. So the elephant is able to handle the competitions for food rather well. Large ears of the elephants help it to hear even very soft sounds. They also help the elephant to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. Okay. Now chapter 7 is over.